The Skin Gig Relationship Toolkit, brought to you by Sankofa Counseling. Today's tool, reflecting empathy.
When we're having a conversation with somebody and they bring up an issue, it's really easy to want to come up with a solution really quick. Well, all you need to do is this. Well, you should just that. Well, you should just that. As soon as anybody says you should just, I flush everything they say after that. That's not going to work for me because I'm not necessarily looking for solutions. I'm looking for you to understand what I'm going through. So empathy is just noticing the feelings that it seems like the other person is communicating. Like, God, I just came out of traffic and this guy cut me off. I couldn't believe it. Then he gave me the finger. Non-empathic response would be, well, you shouldn't have been driving like that. Well, you should just ignore him. Well, you should just. Those are not empathy statements. Empathy statements are, wow, I can see that really upset you. Or, wow, that was really rude of that guy. Or, wow, I wonder who peed in his cornflakes. Or whatever. That's empathy. Empathy says, I notice the feelings that you're feeling. Because the feelings and connecting on that level of how each of you is experiencing the world is a lot more meaningful than trying to fix all the problems. That's our tool today. If this was helpful, do follow. I've got more, and share it with a friend. Let's all get healthier together.